took the words right out of my mouth.
I need to sacrifice. Not enough. You know what to do. Oh, it feels so much better. Hey, I am sorry about your buddies, but omelets and eggs and all of that. But I know how to make it up to you, though. Who wants to go for a walk outside? Andy here might have mentioned that his brother John worked for the Green Arrow, or should I say, Oliver Queen. See, I know what you're all thinking, but he didn't tell me. It was really just a hop, skip, and a jump from the whole Diggle connection to you, to your little sister, to your ex-girlfriend. But when you came to rescue that boy, William, that look on your face, that was a father's look. I should have recognized it there and then.
We need to get out of here, now.
Patience. I've been waiting for this moment for a long time. Ms. Lance, 9 months ago, I made your daddy a promise. I told him what I would do if he betrayed me. Impressive. Where was I? Oh, yeah. I want you to give your father a message from me. I want you to tell him I'm a man of my word.